Alright guys, Smart Jack 118 Productions here. This is a little update here. This was from my friend, Aunt. And yes, and you can see my simplex rulers are still here. But this is another techno/mechanical videos. It's not a fire alarm. It's a LCN door closer, the parallel arm. I mean literally. This was, I have never seen this before, but I finally got the door closer.
I'm playing some Roblox.
I know. But I might use it for the basement door. But if I take this off,
I think I know what you should use it. I think I know what room you should use it for.
What?
Bathroom.
Perhaps.
I mean, you always make the stuff for the bathroom.
I know, but But I was really happy I got this door closer. I mean, literally.
I mean, I got something that...
Okay, here's a test in 3, 2, 1.